Trending stars.
And today I have Mike Mash and Quest. Mwana ngari tumukuwa kuti you know how we do it kuti kakazoti likushow jani. Okay, and they just dropped Just for Fans. First things first, ndifuse kuti why did you name it Just for Fans?
Amash. Well, in the Quest, this is like our third time working together. But third time we wanted the bigger project. First time we worked, and then really, my fans and I'm the project. If I kangari as I Moses Sigwira. Kena ubasila kaya dukambe na zadzina, you know, kuchula yentu ndugo vuda. I'm gonna say Just for Fans, because it is just for fans.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Now, Quest, muna ndofuse zokuti iwe ndo kuti ndiwa ma duo projects. I know you have single goma recently. You have worked with Charisma, abawabanga work ndi Mike Mashi. Tizitembekeze so kuti uza drop a single project kapena ababandi ma duo kauka.
Yeah, we are actually already working on alias single project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready.
Okay. It's gonna be dropping soon.
Yeah, so not so soon, but it will
be ready. Okay, and Quest on your end?
Yeah, me, I'm still working on it.
You're still working on it? Okay.
Yeah, so people should expect my project as well.
Okay.
Because it's been a minute. Yeah.
It's really been a minute. I think last year you just gave us the collaborations here and there. Yeah. Okay. Now, who approached who? Guys, let's sit down. Dibange project imeni.
Nobody approached who, because it was like the way he said it. My fans. Hey boys, that didn't mubange.
Joint project, yeah.
So me and this one, we were already doing some studio songs. Or we were already vibing. So tenango be released into a bigger project.
Okay.
But yeah.
Actually, we get many after how are you? Antoine na mpange project. Ndi question agwizanwa tie wiki no itipange nyimbo next week is Rurugi.
No, yeah.
Last year, last year that was February. Come by recording. Cause this year, and then we go back at it. This year, like today, and the boy ambia. So let's finish.
Let's finish it. Yeah. Okay, so did all the things make it to the album? Kabena zina munazisia.
Ayi bebe imela
jina kwizana kuti zose zisalowe mu album.
Fati kamba zimene zozo pakanavura. Kuti inoti iyapo uyayi zithabaje. So like zonse izi basi. Ndabase antu amvele.
Okay. All right, now tell me who took which role? Amalemba ndindani kapena aliyese amalemba. Uzanzake kuti iya izimenezo ayi mwina tikhoresere ukuthi tantani. I know kuti mwina munakanganabo kuti no, that song shouldn't go that way, if it is this way. How was, the building of the project going about?
Well, I would say it was 50-50. Kuti mu studio in the vibe.
Yeah.
Of course chimenye ndachiphunzira kwambiri pompano kuti until you can just log in mu studio mujopanga play beat ndikuyamba kulemba basi zimene mumalize zo ndi zimene zozo pamene back in the day I would write iganizira kena kundikuvaya nokapanga create kwa maana working with Quest was in studio nyimbo balibe tipita tipanga chinthu omwina sometimes mapezo ine mwina ndipeza kuti mapanga create china yake, but I know kuti kumene kwatsa amene ngamalize ndi Quest, kuti umafira pena bayore ne ndathela ababa kwina kono funinga munthu ine, and there has been moments zokuti Quest wayamba chinthu china yake chathela ababa kuti madala kwina kumurani munyamula.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Now, I think you guys wrote kuti imene in the best hip hop album of the year 2026. Diambendi Quest. What made you say those words?
Because it is. I mean, we have invested a lot of time in this project. We believe it's going to be one of those. It's going to be the best album. Because also, I think it's high time, and I'm awake and getting it more again, and we're just working out of love, out of the love of music, creating music. So the work I found to one and get zitobe bande TNT bange. It's it's out of ka feel ka original feeling. So out of that we have created a very beautiful body of work. It's
solid.
It's easy to be the best hip hop album.
20 over 10
muli nyimbo
or 1000 per 100.
Okay, uwamalizisa kuti muli nyimbo zorani.
Muli nyimbo za bo.
Kuma zawina aliyese.
Yeah, I would say, I think I should agree with that. Kuti ndizawina aliyese. I mean, ajina Maya Ngaija, it's for everybody. Ajina how are you aja, they're for everybody. Koma no kumusiku nde, it's rated 18.
Kumusiku de maslime.
It's rated 18.
Kumusiku it's rated 18.
Yeah.
Koma, you see, not balanceable.
Yeah. Now, I think mene ndimamvela your album, ndinabanga notice was it kandima violin, kandima saxophone. I feel like kuti the album has this distinct, thing to it. Kuti kuimvera, you definitely say iya chintuji. Chinali ndi, it's a body of work yokuti chinakhalidwa pasi ndikuganizidwa kuti tichipange, sort out in this particular way. Tango nduzani kuti production. Now let's talk to the production part. Let's leave the voices aside.
Yeah.
The instrumentals. What inspired kuti mukhale, the violins
like
and stuff like that?
Well, ndinsilikali wena. Makambiyana dasi. Tipange create sound yathu in a way kuti cause ukaimvela project it. Track 1, track 2. Track 1 ndi continuation ya 2. Umaimva yonjoro chintu chajubilia umanoja center. So tinapanga kuti tipange blending tima flute, ma violin like you said, tima logo guitar chanjani was kuti tiwibata feel yathu. That was the whole concept. In production abanga involve one time with it. It's a lot of people in it.
A lot of people have worked on the production.
Yeah. I know you also produce, yeah?
Record myself.
You record yourself?
Him, Damina Mata.
He produces.
Banga mix.
I was mixing.
You were mixing. Okay.
He mixed everything. Kena ordinary ngano zonse na ndikuzibilisa kwa BFB. Kudi kumpasa jenshoti chikumveka kale mene tukufunira ifeyo, and then he fixed many amount.
Mastermind.
Okay, the mastermind behind it.
Yeah,
okay.
BFB.
All right. Now, I know Gudi, your album also carries a story from the top. Now, of course, it's just party after party.
Of course.
Or let's party and have a good time and stuff like that. Come on, like what inspired now the storyline? Because it tells a story. Yeah.
Name the story.
No. Well, as we say it, Gudi, this whole thing, we did it for the fans.
Yeah.
So, timafuna kuti tungokwanitsa kufikira pali pose.
Olefe kuti mene flow right? Tinabanga after.
Yeah.
Mood yathu tingaike bwana.
Kale yonje. When mamuzo kuti ase tikachoka apa intro kubwera apa zibanga sense chonje. Tikachoka apa kupita apa tipa heartbreak. Wagwa muchikondi zataba. Kenako.
Of course we knew kuti nyimbo ngati nyimbo number 1 ndi number 2 tinkadziwa kuti zizayandikana because we made out of the same instrument. I mean same instruments and so timadziwa kuti izi ndi izi Big Man ndi Mayanga yaziyandikirane I Chan Club we ndi ziyandikirane. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you do my favorite ragali most.
Yeah. My favorite. I was just surprised. Okay. We see this.
It's good that you notice Kudi tinabanga John.
Yeah. Okay.
All of us Spotify. Mind up bogging on ground like
boys. Exactly. Now let's talk about the collaborations. Now Mulajina Charisma, Muli Ajina Moral the rapper. What made you select this particular people? Kuda I think project here to many did tenge our andia.
Yankee Quest.
Quest Yankee.
Nyimbo zijiwa mabanga compose. I don't know if ngabona banga compose nyimbo. Kumano nyimbo zikamabanga compose inendu uyu nthawi zambiri makhala tikupanga anthu awiri suluganiza zoti pabwera ndani komano nyimbo ijema zafika nthawi nake kuti amamba kuveka mu munthu uja kuti if this can go to KOK let's say love language analemba chorus uyu love chorus manager ndi Amash anayilemba chan kena kono as kuti nyimbo ija taimaliza taitan he came kuti ase chorus taganizira mura khala ngati kyoke
komanso kyo zankaifira
komanso zankaifira kaya ona so kuiganizira okay ana let's kyoke angayimbe bo mai anga minute mayimba munali ma verse awiri uyu verse 1 ndi verse 3 nali pakati ona so after kuona naona sort of magwambara toveka bo so we had to remove another verse nyimbo zina zije zimene mula ina moral chani chimozimozi zimafika poti maona koma hii atakha moral rapa pamene pali nyimbo zina zote napangira limodzi mu studio ngati we have a collab with Love Flair, Charisma, and two of us. I mean, naipanga rose mu studio. Let's do this. But all you know, imafika nyimbo ijo maona ura pafunika di kwamba pafunika maseuba
okay.
So that's how we got to pick up my
collaboration. Okay, all right. And now Mwina, how has the recipient been so far kujoga kwa ma fans? Kuti aba muzikuri bwanji zikuri bwino
top tier.
Oh, hater the hater. Antoma ino mututsa so yeah but
mukunama
mina wena bakulibirani kuti inu muhere komano like we said solid project and I've never believed in a project 100% ngati mene zinalili kuti maseti ni nyimbo
okay. All right. Now, Mwina, you have that project out, my music video ndambagale, you know, kutuluka and stuff like that. Mwina, pressure yojoga wantu ndiyo and did anybody suggest kuri Mwina murirule sile so join project hii nagape?
I think it's too early.
It's too early?
It's just been 2 days after.
I mean, it doesn't really matter.
Adela gala nina kuti pa commented. Apa urimuta kaza ka 5 osa drove ati bwino ndare boma
ali contented imene imene amvelela project okay all right now still talking about the project I think Quest you're a trapper, we know you as a trapper and Mike Mash, I think you received some backlash. You can tell again, hey, what really are you giving us? Hey, but now I think seeing you in this project now, I think you have proved people wrong. You guys have worked on a project before. People did say, you should continue and stuff like that, but you still received my backlash. How has working with Quest now, you know, like proved you I can really do this thing and I'm good at it?
Well, working with Quest was easy because nabanga conclude me and him we speak the same music language. Kuri asiabo tete papa ngi zienda de manjonjo. Although I say one thing I've learned from him was kwambia gare nkanduze. I said we flow yao imango vai. Uzangu yesa ntayo na kewe kumainja njisa flow it. Never over. Na many ngambi mamenya two ina kamena 4 ina and then I would say I found my sound and I'm confident about it.
The
guy.
I know how much in the good rap. My raps.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngada kukana ina ngaroka ya very project. Naga very my buzz, naga very my verse. I mean I'm
kada ufuna tibanga breakdown.
Sawa kwanga za jibwana.
Okay. Sawa kwanga za jibwana. All right.
Trending stars.
All right, now let's talk about trap. You guys do trap. And I think trap yomwe yachuluka panopa ndiya beef.
Of course.
Ndiya beef and explicit content that your album has. Can you just tell me what's with trap and explicit content?
I feel like it's more associated in the banger. So ndimeni komanso Gen Z ndio siyana ndi ma generation onsewa abirambo you find antamamvera antwaku US oyimba nyimbo zodabwisa so muona zivira zawo malayi kongono zodabwisa basi kwabasa
ngobata basa sangalale
trouble mesa mfuna trouble hii ndendi imeni
all right now Quest ngondiyankha za mabifizo kuti kodi mukuzendesa bwanji
zama beef
because panopa I feel like trap we have panopa kwachuluka kwambiri beef and like you know just music.
I don't know. Antwambiri people who are involved in beef they must have been in it already. Or ena kungoyambisa mina zinthu zokuti you know,
Mami,
hoping to
my
get
fans.
answers. Yeah, hoping to get what. But if you ask me personally, I'm not involved in any other beef. Mwina rules okuti sindukudziwa kuti zikubwera kwa ine. But I can see kuti mu industry man hapanga choncho. Komano I think ndi matais akalekale kuti fe sizikukhuza sirikuzidziwa. Yeah, and I don't know, but anthu ena azimasangalasa, anthu ena mana kuti industry imapemba ndi beef.
Hip hop ndi beef.
Ena mana kuti hip hop ndi beef. Ndeya komanso anthu akaphwekesa amafunika usasekelera.
Ponya ma straight shots ra mini mufikire
Yeah,
yake
She fits well.
Okay, all right. Now, I'm just gonna ask you guys, Panova Trabu ili hot. I know good you guys probably are gonna say, we are the best in the game, Jan. I just want Mike Mash, two that you think would are carrying the crown right now when it comes to trap. Kwestiso awili. Musanduze zoti, hey, ai, ineo, mwagure. Awili bas.
awili
How's that carrying trap music?
Yeah?
Daniel Gansinje ndikenjani malada.
nini ndi quest yase fuzo straightforward
But jealous down kuli anthu angabo kuti they are doing really good in trap. They're doing trap justice. Aina La Flair boy. He's also in the tape.
Yeah.
Anthu ngaramene to me I would say him. He's a very good definition of a trapper. Yeah. In terms of the music, in terms of the lifestyle. Him. Also, who else? Let me think about it. Maybe
Mash.
listen to Chala Flare
Bwana ndikuona ngati mukukopelana.
Chala Flare
but that's what I'm saying. Kuri in Siningango, in terms of the music and the lifestyle also. The trap, there is a lifestyle in it. Tanina Bamini Siringaga Kamizia Unina Tuna. How do they live about the trap lifestyle? Are they really trappers?
Oh no!
Fika badena moza iwe rakagule
makala kai wow alibadini alibanyani sana fika ma definition I mean
oh my trap
the content creator.
I just feel like they're throwing shade at someone. But anyways, now Mwina, what are some people that are thinking of coming up with a joint project like you guys did? Mwina, what advice would you give to them?
Let art flow freely. Famina santu mugamba kujijulikia intenzero kwambiri sije mateka. Kujiganira nso kwambiri. There's been so many moments kuti ini kujiganira yendo kwambiri. I remember nyimbo kunena na chachale club anayamba question di La Flair. Ina ndi charisma to maseme ya FIFA. Na imva nyimbo yoyipa imene ine siningayimbe. Charisma sana nyimbo yoyipa siningayimbe. But then it was cause timajiganizira kwambiri chintu. Nangolowa mu studio. Ana Mrs. Olemba verse ndikali uyu 4 bars inaso 4 yata. Awanso 4 yata.
Ndingolemba basi kuti basi koma aya.
Komano made mamaliza session. Ndichomwecho. So sometimes when you think about something too much, sizimacheka komanso ngati mubanga joint anthu mungene akugonjerana. Art imabwera ndi ego. Uyataona rahaya sesunganduze ndi chose imeyo yuase inosontonera yo the project siteka
Okay, all right.
You have to well is already about you have to let the art
flow. Okay, all right. Mwina ndangonduzani, what was the toughest point during this joint project many maibanga kuti it should become fruitful?
Because we started last year and look at we're at 25. Then we are majoka at 47. Then when the time is point to
distance.
Dale man is a boro ya sobo ase.
Sobo studio.
Sobo?
Hey, komano in terms of workflow, good chan. Nah, I don't think there have been many we were enjoying each and every moment.
Nasanduke so mpaka na routine. Madzuga ndenga quest we don't feel we get entire that team. Ndio dibange entire
we were having so much fun.
That's nice.
Odenga nakhala kuti paulo ni project imene yoti yanga yateka naye kuti tikumaliza za project auzanoti basi za project but I'm still creating music and never so dempa kadama lezo mimi ndiseti yanka kuti tukhabe limodzi mu studio aulo nyimbo zikanafika 50
olo handi
I mean
yeah
zikanafika pepo tsinangatei
yeah. Okay. All right. Now the album is out. You have dropped a couple of music videos out as well. What next should we expect from this project? Mwina mukhala nditi matua or what's next?
You will probably should play a new song.
Okay.
A new video. And try on Ramba
for the first time.
Yeah.
Mayanga.
Yeah, I think we should do that.
Okay.
Tima kuswega osayiwala ye mwana kuthandiza zikateka nzabweza chani nekwa mayanga nyengo zosesa masinda mawanga oh ina mayanga ina mayanga oh ina mayanga ina mayanga
ino mayanga singalole mzidanda mulimo mungani
nyimbo yo blow isa na dulu
How do you blow it and
I say not that but nkulu that I say sound yet you know TikTok because the audio is not out there
Yeah.
simabanga marry everything I once said so ningamuza banova yasaba unofika 10k na ananduzoti matai tokai na dutsa I know you are not able to track
Yeah.
yangobwera figure about 30k and I'm
Oh. Now, since we're talking about Mayanga, you know, as we're going towards the end, whose verse starts? His or yours?
His.
Let's do your verse,
Come
his
on,
verse, and then the chorus.
funny story about Mayanga nyimbo inavangidwa tose ndikuzindikira komaliza ori na Mayanga ndi Susan uyusa Mayanga ndi Susan
Nice.
Also saw a position.
So sangalat. Okay, now let's do your verse, his verse, and then we do the chorus.
numva magiraga ayo amatimali ambili samadziwa ine ndi mama's boy nyoza masteni undipanga anoi mwana oyamba ine ndi band of joy tavutika pano apange enjoy amai yanga ndi teacher zambili za ine ndi awo mafeature angel on earth she's the kind of creature so golo kulielesa bleacher ndama ndiuza dani ndewe ukapanga mani
Uzifasa.
ndewe ukagwira hani uzipemphera mani pena umagwa anthu kuseka mtima kusweka osayiwala ye mwana kuthandiza zikateka zabweza chani ine
Okay. All right. Now, any last words from you guys? I know you're not dying. Koma mawa no maliza. Tiambendi quest.
Mawango Mariza. Now, I would like to tell anthu amene akufuna kupanga ngati zomwe tikupanga zedi kuti just go in the studio and do it.
Yeah.
Also, working together like this imatsegula nzeru zambiri. Yeah, there are so many things zokuti ungaphunzire pogwira ntchito limodzi. And I've loved working on my joint projects for you. It's not like I can do music on my own.
Yeah.
So people should learn to collaborate it. There is power in collabs.
Yeah.
So fellow artists out there, collaborate, panganiza into limodzi. Sometimes it's better to do it's even faster. Word out there is let's do collabs. Also over banga collabo. Go in the studio.
All right, and Mash.
Yeah, man. My words to my fans.
Yeah.
To our fans. Always believe in yourself. Don't let anybody tell you. Because you know you can't. Always believe in yourself. The sky is the limit. And be that guy who proves everybody wrong. And thanks for your support. Continue supporting us. Ababa ndibongo yambira. Mpaka na kumene tikupitako. Tikaide limodzi. If we are elevating, we are elevating together.
Okay, and maybe last go this slime mama tanthauza kuti cha.
Ufunika kuti ngokugulira slime dictionary.
All right.
Because ndio funza zambiri.
All right.
Kena ku cap utaona ngati ndichipewa crazy. Umamva kuti no cap cap sichipewa.
Okay, all right. I think we need to have a chat after this. Kuti ndiziwe kuti kodi slime uyo ndi chani and what's the carbon.
Uyambise mwa
Okay.
kulandirani machinchani jizo.
All right.
Slamizo.
Okay, Maslamizo, guys. This was Trending Star. And today we had Mike Mash and Quest. They just dropped Just for Fans. So make sure you listen to it. It's on all streaming platforms,
yeah.
right? Yeah. Go listen to it. Give it a listening ear. It's unique. It's distinct. Enjoy. And I have been Adina Fichunga. Let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star.
Shut up.
Trending stars.